Kiddy's tree.
Hello, nice friends. I'm Nigel the Narwhal. I'm here today to...
Look, here is the big N and the little n. They look like waves or hills, and they make a sound right through your nose.
The letter N says, it's a quiet sound. Try it. Can you feel it vibrate? What a safe little nest. Nest starts with N. Say it with me, nest.
It's a huge nut. Nut also starts with N. Let's say nut.
Boop, it's a silly nose. Nose starts with N too. Try saying nose. Neat work. We saw the nest, the nut, and the N nose. They all have the nasal N sound.
Thanks for your noble nods.